Hi, I am Ayush, a graduate from the Kingdom College. The Kingdom College has been a blessing in my life. Through Emotional Quotient, Public Speaking, and Entrepreneur Development Program, I have grown in leaps and bounds. I did several internships through the Kingdom College during my graduation, which helped me get exposure, experience, and expertise. I have a startup called Interns Factory. We provide training and paid internships to students. Under the guidance of Deepak the Inspiration, Interns Factory and the Kingdom College are headed to make a difference in the lives of students by helping them transform into powerful entrepreneurs and young professionals.